Yeah, I'm Mark Harris, 67 Firebird. I've had it since 2021. It was in pretty rough shape when I got it. Wouldn't even pull up on a trailer, really. It's got a LS2 6.0 and a 6L80 transmission in it. And pretty much done everything to it except the outside. And all the wiring and carpet, gauges. Haven't got around to the interior yet, but because it's costing me a fortune. But everything else has been changed out on it. All new suspension. And I love it, but I wonder if she loves me sometimes. I found this car on Facebook Marketplace. It was a guy in Hickory. I went up there and seen it, and it was leaking everywhere it could leak. The engine leaked, the transmission leaked, the rear end leaked. We had to winch it up on the trailer, and we had to use a lawnmower to get it in the garage because it wouldn't pull in the garage. And I worked on it for every Sunday for a year and a half just to drive it once, and now I drive it all the time. Well, I wanted to put an LS in it because they're more reliable. One of these days when I retire, I'd like to take this car and drive it all the way down Route 66. And just wanted something with a little more reliability. It's easier to make horsepower on these. I got a tune on this thing, and it gave me more horsepower than I could have, put in a 350 with $3,000 or $4,000. So, and then yeah, we had to pretty much make everything to mount it because it's got a Gen 2 subframe under it. So, and I wasn't sure about that when I got it. So, by the time we figured it out, we just finally made the motor mounts for it and the frame mounts, and then we went from there. I changed out all the suspension, got tubular upper and lower control arms, and double adjustable coilover suspension. And then a lot of this stuff I had to just search and find. I put a new power booster on the brakes because it didn't have it when I got it. Oh, I love this down here. Everybody's real friendly, and they all got nice cars. I mean, there's a whole variety of them too. I mean, you see all kinds of cars down here, not just hot rods, but I saw a couple of Bel Airs I thought were really nice, and some of the old 30 models cars. The 73 Cuda over there is pretty awesome. I mean, yeah, there's just a lot of really nice cars that come down here, and everybody's like just like a group. Everybody gets along. It's a good atmosphere.
Thank you for coming out, showing us your car.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.